Welcome back, Evelyn Harper with Forever Fit, and you are part of the Fit in 5-minute series. Today we are doing our upper body just using this extra light band. You can use a light, medium, whatever you want to use, but I'm starting off with light because it allows me to manipulate the movement and feel it more in the muscles that I am shooting for. So let's get started. We are just squeezing our shoulder blades together in the back, opening up our chest. We've got 5 minutes of upper body, like I said, and this is about building up the muscles to support your joints. So earlier I called my mom, so I usually film these in bundles of 6. So called my mom before doing this set of 6 and was like, what have been your favorite moves, your favorite workouts? Because she is the inspo behind these workouts. And she was like, I like doing da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. So this workout is kind of some of her favorites, and I'm in support of them because I like them too. You should feel your shoulders burning, your upper back. These workouts are for all levels, so you can make it as hard as you would like it to be. Let's do 3 more. Holding for a second there in the back, breaking, holding for a second. Oh, just burn, burn, burn. Good. And after we burn out our shoulders, we go to triceps. So holding your non-working arm kind of locked out while your other arm is holding for a second there at the back and breaking. I love working my triceps because I feel like it is the perfect motivator muscle when you're just getting started in working out, but also when you've been working out for years or whatever, it's nice to work that to not only, yes, support your joints, but it also just makes your arm look so much more defined. And it's a nice break up between doing like shoulder exercises or after doing something super strenuous. It's like, let me just crank out a couple triceps. So it keeps the workout moving. And I've said this in other videos, but when you're doing your upper bodies, go ahead and hover on your toes with your heels just above the ground. So you are also working your balance, and it forces you to keep your core nice and tight. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Woo. Shake it out. We're coming back to our upper back and our shoulders. You're going to put some resistance in this band, and you're coming behind your head and you're coming up. I'm get the ponytail out of the way so you can see my muscles that are hopefully working and look like they are too. And doing exercises like this, it also engages your finger muscles, so you'll feel your grip being worked. As you get older, you don't use it, well, regardless, we all are getting older, but if you don't use it, you lose it. And so a lot of adults and elder humans will lose their grip, their hands will start shaking, and then they'll just drop things. So doing exercises like this will just help those muscles stay engaged. Let's do 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Woo! And as a last little mobility exercise, just take the band up, stretch open your arms, hold it in sticky spots for a couple seconds. Relax your neck. Your chest. Okay. My mom said, I posted one of the mobility workouts a couple days ago. She was like, that one hurt my shoulder. So it's just a reminder that just take your time through these exercises and listen to your body. When I'm exercising, I like to keep my music a little bit lower. I don't like there being too much going on because I want to focus on the movement, focus on like my body, how it's responding to that movement, moving all the way through the movement. I don't want loud screaming. XYZ in my ears or anything like that, and heavy weights to, you know, distract me. But that one feels really good. You can come side to side, and finish here. Even stretching it, keeping your hands pointed out so it stretches all throughout your fingers into your forearms. Feels good. Okay, that is it for today's Fit in 5 upper body workout. Hopefully you are feeling the blood flow a little bit better. Tomorrow's workout, it'll be a little bit more intense. See you in the next workout. Over and out.